Good day everyone. In this video, I will be showing you how to do line spacing and paragraphing alignment in Google Docs. This video should be pretty straightforward and really easy to follow, so anyone should be able to do this if you watch carefully. So, let's get started. Please do not worry if you're not familiar with the interface of Google Docs, as I will be here to guide you and show you the step-by-step process on how to do so. First, please ensure that the Google Chrome you are using is currently up to date so that we will not encounter any errors along the way. Now, let us begin with the line spacing. As you can see, I have here a sample paragraph. Now, let's say for example, when writing a research paper, a thesis, or any academic texts, we want our line spacing to be customized, either 1.5, 2, and more. In my case, I would like the line spacing to be 1.5. In order to do that, we need to highlight the text that we would like to change its line spacing. However, in my case, I would like to change the line spacing for the whole document. Now, considering that we have to highlight all the texts, it might be too difficult for us if we will highlight it manually like this. Now, as a shortcut, we can select all of the text in the document by hitting Ctrl or Command for Mac users plus A in our keyboard. And now as you can see, after we hit Ctrl A on our keyboard, it has now selected all of the text in our document. Now, to change the line spacing, please navigate to this top portion of our screen. As you can see, there are tons of options to choose from. For line spacing, let us focus on this option right here. As you can see, it says line and paragraph spacing. Now, click on this one, and as you can see, it gives us tons of options to choose from. We can set it for 1.15, 1.5, double or 2, or we can even set a custom spacing with a custom numerical value. Let's say for example, I want it to be 3. I can just type in here 3 and click on apply. Now, as I said earlier, I want it to be 1.5. Just click on the line spacing option again and click on 1.5. Now as you can see, we have now changed the line spacing of our whole document to 1.5. Now, what about the paragraph alignment option? Let's say I want to justify my text for formality. What I would do is again highlight the text that I would like to change the paragraph alignment of, but in my case, I will select all again by hitting Ctrl A on my keyboard. Once all the text on our document is selected, navigate to this top portion of the screen once again and focus on this option, which says Align. Click on this one, and as you can see, we have 4 different options: left align, center align, right align, and justify. If we press center align, as you can see, our text will be aligned on the center of our screen. This is the right align, and now as you can see, the right side of our text are all equal and is now aligned on the right portion of our screen. Now, the justify, what it will do is it will equalize the spacing from the start of the paragraph to the end of the paragraph. Let's try it. As you can see, the margining is very equal for both sides. And that is how you change the paragraph alignment for the whole document. If you learned something in this video, please consider subscribing and dropping a like. If you are looking for other tutorials related to Google Docs, you may also check our playlist. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.